In this video, we will see how we can download SQL Server and SQL Workbench in order to work with database. So to download SQL Workbench, you have to go ahead and you have to open up your browser and then you have to type download MySQL community server for Windows. So if you are using Windows, you will go ahead and you will type download MySQL community server for Windows. So this will have all the packages you require for your SQL server. If you want, the drivers, if you want Workbench, there are many such things available here. So you can go ahead and you can pick your operating system as Windows, and then you will get the file. So you can go ahead and you can download it. So you see you have this, you can go ahead and you can download and you can install it. Now I am using macOS version, so I'll be downloading for macOS and being installing for this. So see, it's of 300 MB size, right? So I can go ahead and I can download this complete DMG package. So I'll just press on no thanks, just start my download. So this is how you can download. It's so simple, but make sure you have to download MySQL community server, which has SQL server in it, and also it has SQL Workbench. So you'll be using SQL Workbench, or else if you don't get such package, then you can go ahead and you can type separate. So for example, you can say download MySQL Workbench for Windows. So you can go ahead and you can type this and you will get you will get an individual package with MySQL Workbench, and you can go ahead and you can download that. So if I go ahead and click on Windows, so you see you just get an installer for your Workbench, but it won't work if you don't have SQL Server installed in it. So if you install SQL and then install Workbench, then you can use. If you don't install MySQL Server and just install Workbench, it won't work. So that's why I would go ahead and suggest you download the entire package of SQL community server, which would be around, you see this, you have 500 MB size. Yes, so you can go ahead and you can download it. Now for me, I have it downloaded. Here you can see, I'll just double click. Now it's verifying. So you will have same thing, you will have a white window pop up where you have to click next and you have to select all the packages you have to install. I would go ahead and recommend you to select on all the packages and then install everything one by one. So in Windows laptop, it would be a lengthier process than Mac or any other distribution. Okay, so I have to go ahead and I have to go to my system preferences. For Mac user, you have to do this. You have to go to security and privacy and you have to allow this, or else Windows won't let you download it. So now I got open anyway in my security. So once I press that, now it will open and you can install it. So this happens in Windows because it's too secured. So yeah, you have to do this extra step. Now it's installing for me. For Windows, it won't be the same. It will be a complete different installation procedure. So I'll make sure I create a video for that. Okay, so you can see it is finished installing. So how can you verify? So you can go ahead and in system preferences, you go back. So you can go ahead and either you can go to start and you will see your SQL services here, or you can go ahead and once you install in this system preference also, you will get an extra icon for your SQL. So this is how you install MySQL server on your Mac.